Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's nail art is all about Stranger Things Season 4 Volume 1. I've never received more requests for nail arts before, and you guys sent so many DMs regarding if I can make a Stranger Things Season 4 inspired nail art. So after I watched Season 4 Volume 1, I planned on doing a nail art. Okay, so this video may contain spoilers about Season 4 Volume 1, so if you haven't finished watching it yet, watch this nail art tutorial after watching Season 4 Volume 1. Okay, so here's my base colors for today. Now let's start with my index nail. This is inspired by the very first scene of the season, when there was a massacre at the Rainbow Room. I'm doing some blood splatters first. The rainbow shades in the Rainbow Room has only 6 shades in total. So let's do the 6 shades of the rainbow. Plus these colors are upside down. We usually see the red on top of rainbows, but this one started with the indigo shade. By the way, I'm also doing this look to my pinky nail. After doing the cleanup, let's move on to the middle nail. It's inspired by the creepy grandfather clock, and I'm so happy that we don't have one at home. I'm not totally painting every detail of this one, we're just doing it in an easy way. For my ring nail, let's do 001. Now that I did this, I think my whole nail art is inspired by Henry Creel /1 /Vecna. Should I do an 11 Jane inspired nail art? What do you guys think? Okay, so as for my thumbnail, I'm trying to do the stained glass door of the Creel's mansion. And that's it! Here's my Henry Creel /1 /Vecna inspired nail art. Now it's time to apply top coat. I really can't wait for July 1 to come. Oh my gosh, what do you think will happen to Steve and Nancy at the Upside Down? And I'm super glad that Elle's powers are back. And what do you guys think is in the poster of Will? So I think that y'all know that I'm way too excited and way too eager to watch Volume 2. And I know you guys are too, am I right? And by the way, I really hope you liked today's nail art. And let me know if you would like to see an 11/Jane inspired nail art in the future. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!